Sir, village has clean environment because in village has a lot of trees. That is why the villagers got clean oxygen.
Anybody wants to elaborate it?
Yeah, in village there are lots of area and there are lots of giving the that is helpful for our health also.
But
Okay.
oxygen is provided.
Good, good,
But
good.
oxygen being the cities also, we can't live without oxygen. There are many people who live in cities.
They are saying oxygen is present everywhere, but we are talking about the pure oxygen.
Oxygen is present everywhere, but the state oxygen is only in villages, not in.
And people can get clean and neat environment in cities also. They can go park. And
They can go park, but there is nothing is
They
catered.
can feel the environment also in
Sir,
cities.
actually in
The
present
catered
time,
environment is only in villages.
but sir, in present time, also in villages, farmers cut the tree for their cultivation, and in cities, government provide electric vehicles which decrease the pollution.
Have you got it? Speak.
But sir, a lot of factories situated in city and they adulterated the our rivers and they like they leave their like waste in the rivers.
But there are so many villages who are improving in these ways, and village also have many electricity.
If you listen that in Haryana, when the parali burns, it causes a lot of pollution in villages. Then what do you want to say about it? I agree with you that in cities there is lot of factories, but the factories are in a particular place which are granted by the government. So there is pollution is caused by both sides, like village when we burn a paralis, and also there is lot of things. Vehicles are also used in villages which cause the pollution. So there is no reason behind it that only cities has a lot of pollution in air.
Villages also use vehicles, but not more than cities people.
Yeah, but there is also pollution. No?
You don't get the point. The villages have a it's just kind of you can say that in sir, what we call in majority in English,
Compulsion.
a compulsion. So it's just kind of compulsion. That's why they burn the
Compulsion.
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 It's just kind of compulsion. That's why they burn the wheat plant or anything else that's why. And it's happened more only 1 year, only one time, okay. And we can see the cities people, they carry more than 3 cars, they carry more than 2 or 3 bikes, and they are always install the exhaust. Do you know the exhaust challan will be more than 10,000 rupees? And they are they are installed it. After that they are saying we have a lot of money and we can fulfill the challan and also etc. These kinds of. And you know what, city people don't care about the environment. That's why they have a lot of diseases like a cancer, or you can say there's a heart disease and a high blood pressure.
You can't say that villagers have a neat and clean environment. They don't have neat and clean environment. Because I can take example for my village. In my village, in my village, many villagers have cars and two cars and bikes also. And there are a Vatica in my village, and they बना रखा है.
They have made it.
They have made it as a car parking.
Car
Vatica.
Actually,
There are
another thing-
10 to 15, I think 20 cars parked daily in.
Only for park, not for like
Driving and not
Driving
for,
in-
drifting and
But
And you say that about the parali which is burned by the farmers. I
I-
want to I want to say that parali is also used for the farming of a mushroom. The farmers use it, or they will transport it in other way where the mushroom and other things are grown. And also the paralis and the waste material from the crops are used in the crafting and the homemade decorative things. So people can use it on that manner, but they burn all of this, and that's why the pollution is more. If you listen, every time they increase the pollution of Delhi NCR also.
I don't think
I
so.
I have a point. You say that farmers burn up rally in a village, but the different feelings the farmer is burning. Why is burning? Because it's preparing their hard soil by the burning. It's recharge their soils by the burning of rally. So, but I know you say that if we burn paralis, they make a pollution. But they grow a lot of trees around the fields or the nearby the roads. Also, growing the lot of trees in a, as we can say as a bog. So it's create a pollution, but still they
We can stop.
we can stop that things. So also they preparing the soil, making the soil a good manner for the upcoming good crops.
Actually, about your point, I want to say, in recently you went to village or not? आप अभी विलेज गांव गए थे या नहीं गए?
Did you visit?
Did you visit a village or not?
Yes, I did.
So you see the lot of trees around the fields.
Yes, I saw a lot of trees around the
Actually,
street.
there is a very minimum trees in
No,
one
actually,
field.
if you watch a field, so you learn that means there is a lot of trees.
But nowadays, in the
Nowadays,
village,
there is only a few trees.
That is not a village.
but nowadays in the village, many people cut the tree because they want to save gas and they use chula and they burn.
Listen, I also live in a village, but when I was a kid, near my house a lot of fields are there. So when I was a kid, I see only one field in which the farmer is burning the parali. Only one. So we can say that only like few people burning their parali.
But
It is
parali is
happen
burned by
only-
everybody, na? Maybe in same field, but pollution is happened.
So, but only village people growing the trees. Only village people. You are just showing. You just grow a tree and make the video and viral.
Yeah, then
People
we
sitting
put it
there
out and
don't
throw
know
it.
if it
No,
It's not
you
a-
cannot.
You don't take care about it.
Really.
After when you planted the plant, you don't take care about it. You're just doing show offs.
I can
Just
How
say-
can you say that citizens don't grow the trees? You see many trees in village also.
How many trees are growing every any place?
Any place means?
Cities.
in city.
Are you planted any plant in a city?
If you come in my
Have you
home,
not seen
you see
any?
a lot of greenery in my home, like some types of
Actually,
money.
about the
actually,
trees,
I
all about
said
the
you-
planting the trees on a roadside, on an unknown place. Okay.
There is a one more thing I just want to say. So many people are thinking we are planted a plant in a pot. It not could be happen from this. If you want to pure air, if you want to increase the oxygen, you must to plant the plant on earth.
I want to
On
ask
earth.
with you,
Cities people
nothing-
also
she
think
want to
that
ask.
I say one line.
in
a city-
village, how many people grow a tree in a year or a month?
In village.
I
Yeah,
also
yeah.
I
I
also
can give you the more examples in Panipat. You can see there is a one man, okay. He just grow more than a 1 crore tree, okay. And I will give you the more example in like Assam. There is a we can call us a tree man, and he just got the Padam Shri award
Only
from
one
the.
person cannot change the whole
Let me
village.
complete. Let me complete. It's not happened by the one person. It's happened by the whole team. Okay, whole villages and the whole more than a people's like a 200 or 300. Okay, there is a one person of them who care about the environment. Why he care about the environment? Because when he was a kid, he sees the greenery around us.
Have you grown these trees in village or in city?
They are growing
Yeah.
trees in like the trees they wanted the soil, okay, not in happen in a cities, because you can see there is a lot of trees who when you grow the tree after 10 or 15 days the tree is dead because the soil is not good. They grow in a better place. I'm not talking about the city or a village.
The better place would be in city or in village. It not matter. It have they dependent where they want to grow it. If they got the proper place in city, they grow these trees in cities. You didn't have the proper pronunciation that they are in they grow the tree in village or in city. If you have the information, then give me.
Trees
Google
not
it, you can YouTube.
grow in a.
You can search on
You
YouTube.
check na. You give the example to me. You check.
But in a city, just a few places where we can grow a tree, because all around or like all around is pakka road. They're
If you
all
know
around
about today's
road.
situation,
But in
everybody in village want to make a home in village because there is a से क्या कहते हैं उसको जो अभी गवर्नमेंट दे रही है
lots.
हाँ,
आवास योजना।
आवास government give आवास people want a place where they grow their own houses, and there is many brother and sister in one house, and they take आवास and build their home in fields. So there is they cut the trees, and also the fields which are used for the vegetation also they will induct.
So city people don't cut the tree.
This is also pakka cut. You said that. Then how could you say that the people cut the tree?
But we can say that in villages a few people cut the tree. But when government want to make a factory, they cut the trees. They
There are also
But in
lots
proper,
of ongoing
but
construction.
in proper place where the citizens are away from it.
I think cities people's more using a wood and some kind of resources from the
Like a
village.
furniture or anything else. And you can
Because
see
we can say that the cities are more developed than the villages. Villages make a single house. They all around they are fields, so they not need any construction again and again. But the cities they have a construction 4-5 years because the road upgraded. So
Because
and
people migrate from the village to city because city has a better facility and better education in each and every field. That's why people
and
came here.
cities have a
When
better diseases and
Look
better
at me.
like
When people didn't have a proper facility in village, then they migrated here. When nobody live in village, then what you will do by building the home? You build all the homes here, na?
There are so many examples
Actually,
except
cities
the
is the hub
environment.
of the
We
diseases.
can take example.
We can take
Same
example
cities
as
have
you
more
said,
diseases.
because
in past 3 or 4
the
days
city
have
people
more
always compromise with purity. They adulterate the milk, they adulterate like food. But in village we all
They not
have
get proper
like
nutrition.
buffalo milk and cow milk.
You know that
That's why-
many milkmen do adulteration in milk. They,
But people- but
they
people
belong
have-
to-
But you listen. Like we can take example in like our home, because we take milk before they also said that like in particular time you like bring the milk. After that we Milana add
but they
the.
don't say that you come early before.
You come on.
No one want to take like adulterated milk.
Actually,
If they get chance, they do. They
in
can
village,
do.
in village
I'm
it
gonna
also
tell you.
happen. people mix the water in a milk, but you didn't. This is your thinking that village people not mix the water in a milk. It's your thinking. Actually, I'm living in sector 76. There is village area. My mother take milk from there, and the milkman also add a water in it. So there is not about the city and village.
And when the milk
If
sent to your big companies and the company owners adulterate a lot of things to they add color, white color in milk to bring a good color in milk.
They are just like a chemicals. How can you say that like one tablespoon of powder will be the milk? This
They
happen
take
in
pure
cities.
water and they adulterate in it powder and they डालते हैं. They add some smell it smell like a milk.
A pure milk. How can you say that it's a pure? And mixing a water is much better than mixing a white paint or mixing a white powder in a milk. Okay, if I give you the pure milk, you will get the stomach cramps or just any more things because you can digest it because it's very happy.
You can
It's
say
very
that
happy.
like a villager milkman add the water, but water
For your-
can be safe than your adulterated milk.
Yeah, I agree with you about this point, but also in village, not all people take a milk from a milkman. They also order the milk from outside. And in cities also,
In
the
cities,
people.
there are many citizens who carry buffaloes and cows.
Yeah.
And
But
in
city-
your city, if we can say that
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
villagers people have these kind of bimari diseases like skin and sometimes any kind of, but in city every third people have brain tumor, heart attack and cancer because they have a dirty environment.
Yes, city don't have capacity to provide the milk to all of the people of city, but when we see in village has the capacity to provide the pure milk to all the
Whole village.
all village.
And I
we
can give you
also
the
provide
example.
milk to the city.
And I can give you the example. In past 4 or 5 days ago, you can see in a UP, there is a more than 50 people died because of the climate changes and because of the heat wave. Why they are died? You can see there is a lot of infrastructures building in our cities, and the pollution is increasing day by day. The heat waves in India, because of heat waves, there is no one died in the past few years. But you can see there is a lot of people died because of heat waves, and more than 200 people are in a hospital in an emergency case. Why they are dying? Because of the city people. They are polluting the air, they are polluting the soil, and they are also polluting the water also. And you can say that in a Rishikesh or in a Ganga river, you can see that there is a lot of dirty water mixing in a Ganga. And you can see in a Delhi, I can give the nearest example. In a Delhi, you can see in a Yamuna, the purest river in our India. In a Yamuna, you can see there is a lot of chemicals mixing, and the water is dirty as a hell. Because people in city, these people don't care about anything. Seriously, they don't care about anything. I'm gonna ask all of you who's there belong to the cities. Have you ever planted a tree in an unknown place?
Yeah.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking all of you.
After when you plant, have you take care of the plant?
No.
Have you take care of the plant?
Yes, we take care of plant because we planted tree in our school.
It's just kind of
And there is
saying
also a
thing,
garden.
okay? And we can you in a practical way. I don't think so for you. It's a possible thing because you have your own work or your own studies and there is a lot of work. That's why I can understand. You are belong to the city and we are belong to the village. We care about the environment. We care about the soil and we care about the water.
Really, you care about the water?
Obviously, we care about the water.
I
That's why
listen to me.
I take a
Listen to
bath
me.
in 4 days.
I said what?
And sir, if we talk about the nature and the habit of people, the villagers people have the like habit of brotherhood. They have the nature of brotherhood. If we talk about if anyone like say they make home in village and they live in village now, so they the neighbor of them like them, they made a brotherhood with them, and they like आना जाना हो जाता है फिर
They easily commute.
they come his home and they come in their home.
Because the people of villages not properly employed, they didn't go their job, and but in cities, people are properly employed and they didn't have time.
We can
They
take
didn't have time.
They didn't have a
We can
time
take-
to save the girl
Listen,
from
you-
a sahil.
you say-
Okay.
I am also
In a
live in
public
village.
place.
My
Yeah,
father is
yeah.
also.
But
In a Delhi, you can see there is a lot of people. The humanity is like finished in these days. Is like you don't even exist the humanity. You can see in a Delhi, the Sakshi was killed by a 20 years old boy, and no one gonna save her because they are city people. They don't
They don't
think
take
they
care,
They don't care about
They just
anything.
make TikToks. They just can make TikToks.
City people unnecessarily
And
use their vehicle.
Violence has so
also
many TikTok,
happened in villages.
and we are belong to village, and you say that villagers, humble villagers have humble nature. My father, then our father came to come to home. They do where do they go?
You know, when our father came to house, like the people on the road, they said namaste bhai sahab, because they have humble nature. They respect
They
everybody.
respect each other.
it's also
It's also happening.
No, I don't
think so.
I did not see.
Because if a man have a higher standards,
And
or
they-
higher middle class
when I
family,
was in,
because they
I
give
was
respect, okay,
when
not a
I was
middle class
in
people.
standard, I can
give respect and take respect. If you
It's
give respect,
only in
Village has a
titles
chopper.
or
When I was
movies,
seventh
not in a
standard.
practical
when I
way.
was in 7th standard,
With
I
a
went
very
to
active-
Delhi in my mommy's house, and I
Actually, village has a chopper. Where is the village people share their thoughts, manner, they talk each other
In a good manner.
yeah.
And how can you
And
say
city
that?
people
They-
always
I have to
bring
answer
a
you.
lot to
Yes.
I also answer you. You said that like your
First of
city.
all, I have to complete it.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Village has a chopper,
Yes.
and city has a park where the grandfathers and grandmothers sit together
But
and
that-
talk about. Listen,
Yes.
let me complete. In villages, not a younger people can sit on chopper and talk.
No.
Younger people, listen to me.
Everyone, we live in India. Everyone has a
Right.
everyone has the right to say their thoughts. So that age doesn't matter. This things.
Yeah, but in chopper, if you see, there is maximum time only a grandfather or some grandparents are sitting there, because the younger people have their own phone. They chat with it in village also, and in cities only a grandfather and the child go to park and sit there and talk to their friends about any type of matter.
How
There
many
is
people
nothing like
join
that.
the Indian Army from a city?
There is nothing like that. That
From-
only villagers
From
people use
villages,
mobile phones.
Villager people get a practice for joining the Indian Army.
But
or
you
a-
can say
And
that
sir-
city have a lot of facilities and lot of
And-
resources.
Yeah.
And
City
how many
have-
people are join the Indian Army from the city? There is no one, because they don't even care about anything. Okay, they just care about ourselves.
And sir,
I'm from village. And I
May I
can
ask you where are you from?
let me complete my words. I'm from village and I'm come here for achieve my aims. If I have aim to become a army man or a policeman, then I take a proper education and facility from here. That's why people come here.
sir, she said
And
that
it's
because
true
the
that-
city people have employment, Yeah, but we can take example of my house. My father has a job also, and my mother has a company employee in this packaging company. So you can't say that the villagers people don't have employment. But we can say that the villagers people more laborious than the your
Yes,
city people.
very
If your city
fair.
people,
Olympian
if your
medalist
city
also
people,
from the village, not from the city.
listen, if your city people will work like a farmer, your city people are like behosh ho jayenge.
They will faint.
They will faint.
Yes.
Okay. Let me.
You
When your parents
are
when your parents are in village, they do anything.
What?
When your parents live in village, are they employed?
Yes.
What they do?
Like my father has a job. They are a bus driver. He is a bus driver in school.
In village or city?
School.
In village or city?
School.
From where? Town?
It can be
In
anywhere.
town. In town.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's about your mother?
He is a company employee in packaging company in village.
In
She's
village.
In village.
And the company is also situated in
Village.
village.
Yeah.
In which village?
Sulpet.
From village.
Sector 139.
And
It's
Chandam, we
also
have
city,
a
sir.
lot of companies.
Village.
Yes.
Okay. But
All the industries are situated in the villages.
Please don't run your
all
menu.
the industries are situated.
They go outside.
Wait. All the such things, right? All the cities, all the industries are situated in village. Then pollution is come from the village.
Yeah.
Listen.
Oh, wait. Let me complete her. Let me complete her.
You can
What I
say
said before-
we can curb the
what I said
pollution.
before, people in cities, they don't even care about the soil and don't even care about the water also. They don't even have a land. That's why they are building their infrastructure in a village area. Now you can give an example from the Noida. There is a one village and there is a one sector.
Are you not thinking a village change into a city? Villages are converted into cities, no?
And villagers have also got dirty environment.
You just tell me who have a lot of trees, a village, a city,
Or which type of dirty things
Environment.
and
or
who have
environment
more
have
clear,
village,
clean
please tell me.
environment, the village or city?
Actually, about the environment, village has a pure environment. But that sir said that there in that village where the industries are not situated, that village has a clean environment. But those villages where the industries are situated, they didn't have a clean environment. And about the pollution, villagers also cause a water pollution. Because they bathe their animals in ponds, which is usable for them, because they made them for use. And also they open the sewer lines or nullies in the ponds, just like city people.
I
No.
give you example. If you
Okay.
bath your buffalo and if you bath your cow in a pond, okay, there will be a pure water. There's nothing's gonna change, and you just say that the nullies and I can give you more example. In a village pond, there is a living and more than 1,000 of fishes are living in a pond. And in cities, I never seen a pond and I never seen a lake like that. Okay, the pure water is very pure. If it is not pure, the fishes are dead.
Actually, where the fishes are live,
Say something.
You have to support her.
You
Where
have
the
to
fishes-
support her. She's your friend.
Okay, that is issues.
where the fishes are live, that water is not a pure, because fishes have an ability to live in water where also dirt. They live in it, but I agree with you. In maximum dirty, when the dirtiness increase in the river, they didn't live. If you talk about the Yamuna, there is also you got a fishes in Yamuna. You
But
found
in
it, no?
Delhi, I never seen a fishes in Yamuna because the water is a dirty.
Go
as
and take a
hell,
dive in.
like I-
Go
Why
and
should
take
I-
a dive
Why
in.
should I? Why should I? Am I like a Bear Grylls or something?
Maybe.
Am I like a discovery person? who just got from
You have
like,
to.
hello guys, we are invented this cactus people from the cities.
Yeah.
They
Then
don't
how
even
would you
care
say
about.
that Yamuna
You think that
Yamuna
cactus
had
people
all the
will-
fishes?
Hmm?
Then how could you say that Yamuna didn't have a fish?